Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to search for filters inside your Instagram app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. And once you're here, you want to swipe right to open up the camera settings inside the app. Alright, I'm inside the camera app, inside Instagram, so you can either post a story or reel or go live. Just depends what you want to do. So for this example, I'm going to do story. To search for a filter, just simply scroll across here and choose any one of these filters to use in your video or photo. And if you scroll all the way to the end, there'll be a search magnifying glass. So if you click into that, you can search for all these different filters here. You can look at trending filters, like so. You got appearance, games, humor, special effects, all these different options you can use. Or if you want to search for a particular filter, click on the magnifying glass here and just type in that filter right there that you want to search for. So yeah, that's it guys, how to search for filters inside the Instagram app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.